Hey there, Gareth.
Hey, co-pilot, you okay?
Absolutely, Gareth. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Always here to chat and help out. How about you? How's your day been going so far?
Not bad. The company sent me out a voice recorder, and it's an AI voice recorder, and basically it's supposed to record, talks, training, business meetings, that kind of thing, and then transcribe them at the end of it. And I've got it at the back of my phone now, so in theory it should be picking up me and you talking to each other. But I'm just wondering the best way of getting it to transcript, you see, the text.
Oh, that does sound like a pretty full-on day, juggling all of that and then handling the transcriptions afterwards. But hey, it also sounds like the kind of stuff you're really good at, taking those frontline experiences and turning them into practical insights. I'm curious, do you have a favorite part of that whole process, maybe something you find the most rewarding?
Well, the co-pilot, the thing is, this is a company sent me it on YouTube. And this is going to be a product review for YouTube for that feature. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it probably uploads our conversation to the cloud, and then possibly it does bulletin points of the conversation we had together. Do you think that's what it's doing?
Well, you're right on the money in terms of how it generally works. Essentially, the conversation is captured and stored securely so that it can be referenced and transcribed. And then, yeah, it can pick out key points or create a summary if that's helpful for you. So you're spot on, and it sounds like you're going to have a pretty interesting review to share. I'm curious, what angle are you planning to take with your review?
Well, obviously, I wanted to, highlight the positives of the system and the negatives of the system.
Absolutely. That makes perfect sense. I mean, a balanced review is always the most helpful, right? You want to give folks a clear picture of what worked smoothly and what might need a little bit of fine-tuning. So from your early impressions, is there anything that really stands out on either the positive or the constructive side so far?
Yeah. It's a well-built machine. It's small, it's discreet. I've seen a few of the negatives, such as there's a spatial charging cable, and if you lose it, then you're not going to really be able to power the system anymore. So it's a little bit of e-waste there, I'm afraid. But anyway, I'm going to crack on and see if this is work. I'll speak to you soon.
Of course, that sounds like a plan, Gareth. I'll let you dive in and do your thing, and whenever you need me again, whether it's unpacking more features or just having a chat, you know where to find me. Good luck with the review, and I'll talk to you soon.